Good day, I'm Twyla Whelan and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, September 10, 2024. A Disaster Risk Management Review Committee is now in place to provide a more comprehensive assessment of the country's critical infrastructure in the face of natural disasters. These include water supply systems, electricity grids, telecommunication networks, transportation routes, medical services and community preparedness. The announcement was made by Prime Minister Andrew Holness at a post-cabinet press briefing earlier today. One of the mandates of the committee in its vulnerability assessment is to ensure that these infrastructures remain operational during a disaster.
These sectors are crucial in maintaining stability in times of crisis, and any failure in these areas can have widespread consequences.
The committee will also evaluate emergency services to ensure they are equipped to respond quickly and efficiently to crises. The body will also provide recommendations for improving national and local disaster risk response frameworks and ensuring better coordination between agencies.
The work of the DRMRC is not just about addressing the immediate risks posed by disasters, but about building a culture of resilience in Jamaica that prepares us for the future. The ultimate goal is to ensure that our infrastructure services and communities are equipped to handle any challenge, ensuring the continued safety and well-being of Jamaicans, and indeed the continuity of government in the face of any serious natural disaster challenge.
Mr. Holness says the impact of Hurricane Beryl, which resulted in over $10 billion in damage, is a call to action and reminder of the importance of preparedness. The Disaster Risk Management Review Committee is being led by Major General Anthony Anderson. The Prime Minister says the team brings a wealth of knowledge and will help to build a more resilient Jamaica. Also coming out of today's post-cabinet press briefing, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has announced that a 24-member contingent will be sent to Haiti on September 12 as part of a multinational security mission. The aim is to assist the Haitian state to achieve a reasonable level of security and to facilitate the holding of a general election. Mr. Holness says Jamaica has a national security interest in the situation in Haiti, with it being one of our closest neighbors, asserting that it is in our best interest to support a long-lasting resolution to the problems in Haiti.
The security forces continue in a state of readiness to support further deployment towards our overall commitment as the mission in Haiti is scaled up. Jamaica has close fraternal ties to the people of Haiti, and we stand in solidarity with them.
The team includes 20 personnel from the Jamaica Defence Force and 4 from the Jamaica Constabulary Force. They will provide command, planning and logistics support.
The Jamaican contingent will be under the command of local Colonel Kevron Henry. He is the designated deputy commander of the overall mission. We're also ensuring that within the planning and operations of the headquarters that the Jamaican contingent will occupy key appointments to ensure that we bring our expertise and bring our interest in the mission to the forefront in the headquarters.
The City and Guilds Institute is now offering a fully subsidized 2-year diploma in maintenance, electrical and motor vehicle engineering. This is being done in partnership with the Ministry of Education and Youth. The program is intended to revive students' interest in engineering and provide them with essential technical skills for the future. Chief Business Executive at City and Guilds, Dr. Bentley Brown, made the announcement during a recent JIS think tank. He says City and Guilds will host 4 regional workshops in September to further boost proficiency in engineering.
We'll be having one in Kingston, one in St. Elizabeth, one in St. Anne, and one in Clarendon. We're trying to pull at least, for each workshop at least 250 participants from the respective high schools for skills proficiency and engineering. In September, we'll be having our online workshops for math and English and customer service.
Dr. Brown says students who successfully complete the diploma program will be awarded a post-nominal attachment to their names, signifying their qualification as basic technical operators in the field. The diploma program is part of a broader 10-year contract signed in November 2019. It includes providing examinations in mathematics, English, customer service, and skills proficiency across 12 occupational pathways, including engineering. And finally, A contingent from Jamaica led by the Heart NSTA Trust is participating at the World Skills Competition in Lyon, France. The event, which runs from September 10 to 15, will demonstrate the skills of hundreds of participants from across the world in many fields. Jamaica will be showcasing skills in optoelectronics, autonomous mobile robotics, welding, graphic design technology, and digital construction. Competitors say they have put in the work and are aiming for great things.
As a competitor, I'm looking forward to gain more networking, communication, and to learn about their culture more. But more important, to come home with a medal.
Participated in intensive training and mock competitions against other competitors. I've also worked closely with my experts and researched on my own to stay on the latest trends in robotics. I'm excited to show my skills and learn from other competitors and gain international exposure.
Managing Director of the Heart NSTA Trust, Dr. Tanisha Ingleton, says the event is not just a competition, but a celebration of creativity, innovation, and dedication.
At the Heart NSTA Trust, we pride ourselves in providing world-class training to our young people so that they can be on the world stage and do their part in advancing Jamaica's economy. We have been equipping them with the skills and competencies that they need to perform at their optimal here in Lyon, France.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Twyla Whelan. Thanks for watching.